What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I want to talk about something that not a lot of people seem to grasp the concept on how to correctly wash and dry your microfiber detailing towels and wash mitts. So I'm going to shed a little light on this subject for you guys to help clear out what questions you may or may not have versus household detergents and or detergents for microfibers. So let's go over the difference between household detergents and microfiber detergents. Household detergent sometimes has bleach, perfume additives, and fabric softeners. And when you're washing microfiber towels and wash mitts, that is not something you want to use because you don't need your towel to be artificially cleaned by a perfume additive or anything like that. A microfiber detergent, in this case I use Micro Restore. It is a concentrate and it does not contain any additives like fabric softeners or perfumes or dyes or anything that's going to harm the microfiber, whether it's a towel or wash mitt or an applicator pad for that matter. What Micro Restore does, it contains a surfactant and an emulsifying agent. So what that does is loosens up the microfibers themselves and helps release the dirt and soil and whatever's on your towel or wash mitt. So that is the only thing you should be using for your microfiber detailing towels and wash mitts and applicator pads. Now moving on to hot water and cold water. There's a big debate on this topic. I typically use cold water to wash all my microfiber towels, wash mitts, everything that I need to clean. I use cold water. A lot of people say the hot water opens up the fibers a little bit more. I haven't seen any difference. I've used the hot water in the past. It doesn't clean them any better. It doesn't remove the stains any better, at least not that I could see. Now for load size, I usually only have a medium to small amount that I typically wash, but generally the more water that you can get into your batch generally will clean it a lot better. So what I do is, for the most part, I use a medium or a super load size when it comes to washing my towels and mitts. And I usually only use between 15 and 30 mLs of this liquid, and it has a measuring space up here, measuring cap, so you'll always know how much you're using. Now when it comes to drying, I use a automatic cotton side, and since I have an old school setup, it doesn't have no heat, but you always want to have as little heat as possible because it will damage your microfiber towels. When you dry microfiber towels on a high heat setting, it will destroy the fibers themselves, which will cause damage to your paint. So you always want to have little to no heat, and in my case I have the lowest heat setting is medium. The setting below that is a fluff setting, which is only used for, unwrinkling like clothes that you left in overnight. So that is how I wash my microfiber towels and wash mitts. If you guys have any other questions, drop them down in the comment field below. I will link this product in the description if you guys decide to pick this up, or if you want to use Adams Polish's microfiber revitalizer or Chemical Guys or Shine Supply, whatever you want to use. Do not ever use a household detergent for your microfiber. So always use a microfiber detergent concentrate for your towels and wash mitts. So guys, I want to thank you for watching this video. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you on the next one.